Speaker, for this opportunity. Mr. Speaker, I rise to support that the House notes the report of this team, this delegation.
For purposes of record, you rise to second the motion, not to support.
Stand corrected. Mr. Speaker, I rise to second this motion that the House notes the report of this delegation. Mr. Speaker, in this country, the two biggest enemies we have are actually corruption and nepotism, that we often call tribalism in the common parlance. Mr. Speaker, that we have a body of parliamentarians.
Order, honorable members, the conversations are far too loud. We can barely hear what the distinguished member for Seme is saying.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to second this motion that this House notes the report of this delegation because, Mr. Speaker, in this country, corruption and tribalism are the biggest enemies that if we can conquer them, this country will fly in all terms, economic development and all forms of growth. That we have a group of parliamentarians that have come as a caucus to fight this is commendable. That this delegation went to an international meeting, workshop, and what was noted, Mr. Speaker, is actually interesting and it's important for us to note that actually from the workshop they noted that the corruption is increasing, that the implementation of the international conventions are weak, that the international cooperation against corruption is especially weak and is not supported in areas such as money laundering, asset recovery, asset declaration, and beneficial ownership, which are extremely important in fighting corruption. It doesn't matter how people are taken to court and charged. If the proceeds of corruption are not dealt with, if the processes like money laundering are not dealt with, if the assets that they enjoy are not dealt with, will not go far. Mr. Speaker, it was also important, it was noted in this workshop that the activities of the civil society on corruption is actually weak. This is interesting if we look at how active the civil societies are when they're talking about human rights, if they're talking about transitions of government and so on. So that is an interesting. Mr. Speaker, in this workshop, the